This is the Outdoor Revolution Screenhouse 6, an extremely easy to pitch and extremely fast to pitch pop-up gazebo, offering excellent shelter from the elements, including this waterproof canvas on top, but importantly mesh netting all the way around to help protect from insects. There's lots of room inside, so plenty of room for table and chairs, or for storage should you wish to use as a kind of your hub and drive off for the day and come back and have everything sort of out of the van. You can enclose it by buying the privacy panels, which velcro on and all around the sides and peg down, which I'll show you shortly. You can also buy additional windbreak should you want to extend this and kind of make an extra sheltered area, which just slide onto this bit of cader beading here. All the poles come pre-fitted with the exception of a couple of upright poles that you put in at the end, but it just literally get out of the bag, pop it open and peg it down and you're good to go. Here you can see a privacy panel on the side of the Screenhouse 6. They're sold in pairs, so the idea being you would protect yourself from the wind direction. But of course, if you wanted to give yourself complete privacy, you could buy 3 pairs to fully enclose the entire unit. Simply toggles onto each corner, velcros down as a gusset to protect you from water coming in, and then pegs down at the bottom. Very simple and effective.